Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing really well. So today's video is the last tutorial of my New Year's Eve makeup looks, and this one is a very simple getting late for a party kind of makeup look, which is really quick, really simple, and probably you have all these shades already with you. So if you want to know how I got this look, then keep on watching. So I'm moisturizing my face first, very important. And I'm using this LA Girl orange corrector to correct my under eyes. I'm using the PAC HD liquid foundation in the shade 2.3. This is an amazing full coverage, extremely long lasting foundation. Looks really nice on the skin, a very affordable option as well. Highly recommend this. So yeah, I'm just blending this with my YBP Makeup Perfector. And I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer as always to conceal and highlight my face. To set everything in place, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade Light Medium. This again is such an amazing powder. I've said it so many times before. Very nice. I'm going to use this Maybelline Master Contour Palette and pick up that shade to contour my face. It's a really nice drugstore palette, very easily available in your nearby beauty stores, and it does the job of contouring pretty well, so I really like that. Okay, my camera wasn't focusing, but I'm using the Maybelline Master Flush Creator in the shade Next to Nude. It's one of my favorite blushes from Maybelline, really nice, very pretty color. And I'm just going to bake my face as well. Moving on to the eyes, I'm using the same contour shade as a transition shade. You can totally skip this step if you don't want to do it. It's not necessary, but I just wanted to add a transition color. And now I'm taking this Colorbar eyeshadow stick in the shade Ornament. They have a lot of different shades, and these are really good for someone who is like on the go, doesn't want to do a lot for the eyes, and you can just add some color and it has a very nice staying power. And on top of that, I'm going to add this PAC eyeshadow. It's a very beautiful rose gold kind of a color, so I'm just applying it with my fingertips, and the eye look is just so simple, you guys. As I said, you can totally just go with the eyeshadow stick if you don't want to apply something more. And I'm using this Kiko brown eyeliner just to line my waterline, and I'm also going to do a very basic eyeliner. So I'm going to add 2 to 3 coats of the Maybelline Push Up Drama Mascara. You can also skip wearing lashes if you don't want to. I just wanted to add some extra glam. And for highlighter, I decided to give the Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter another chance and see if I like it. I think it was much better than the previous experience and it looked quite good. So I'm going to line my lips with the Maybelline Gigi Hadid collection, the Erin lip liner. Very beautiful color, I love this. And I'm going to use the Faces Canada Scandalous lipstick. It's from their Pro Matte Ultime Pro Matte collection. I've reviewed it on my channel. Very beautiful bold color. And I'm using this iconic Prep and Set Glow Spray to set my makeup and also to add that extra glow. It's a beautiful setting spray. And that, you guys, completes the look. The best part of this look is that you can pair any lip color with this kind of an eye look. Very simple, very quick and easy, and I hope you all really liked it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.